Hey y'all, as y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be working with the company called Nadula hair. I worked with this company before, but today they sent me another wig. It's this Mongolian hair. No, it's Brazilian. And it's a 24-inch and it's mixed with brown. The link to the hair will be in the description down below. But right now, all I'm finna be doing is brushing the baby hairs back and preparing it to be bleached. When I'm about to bleach my knots to my wig, I just brush the hair back with Got to Be Glue spray, and then I put the wig inside out on top of the wig head. What I use to bleach my knots is BW2 powder and 40 any 40 developer. It don't matter for real. But I really like that powder bleach. It works the fastest to me. But I let it sit for 30 minutes and I make the consistency to a cakey consistency, like icing. Like when you put it on like the brush, it shouldn't be able to drop. That's how you know it's not watery and it won't sink through the lace and bleach all the hair instead of the knots. What I'm gonna do is work in sections and just apply the bleach onto the lace lightly. Do not be pressing the bleach all through there because it's just gonna get all onto the hair, but just put it on top of the lace nicely so it can just get them knots. So leave it on there for 30 minutes. Once I let it sit and washed it all out, I washed it over with purple shampoo, the purple shimmer shampoo. I'm pretty sure y'all know what I'm talking about. Everybody use it, but you can find it at your local beauty supply store. But yeah, look at them knots, girl. All the knots is bleached. Over bleached knots were. But yeah, this is the part where you gotta go pluck. Alright now. So y'all, I never really got the concept of the plucking process until I watched this girl. She like kind of remade Tay's class and like kind of explained it better. And so like when she parted her edges out, she said that she plucked the line, then she skipped the line. So like when you plucking, you want to yank it hard. So when you skipping over a line, like a strand of hair, then go to the next strand of hair, then go to the next strand of hair. And all you're doing is like just thin it out the part. So you really just don't want to pluck in the same place. But sometimes it is good to pluck in the same place, but don't over pluck to where the point you're balding. But that's good to have those edges sectioned out, so if you do over pluck, them edges can like cover it up. Make sure you're combing out the hair in this process so you will be sure that you're not over plucking the lace, because once you over pluck, you can't go back. So make sure you pull out those extra edges too. On to the installing part. Now that we have plucked and everything, I'm going to cut the excess lace at the back of the wig, and then I'm going to outline my hairline, so when I place the glue on my forehead, I can just already have like a measurement of how much I need to put, so I can just have everything melted and I don't have to go back in. The adhesive that I'm going to be using today is called Die by Key Lay My Lace Glue. It's waterproof, sweat proof, all that. So I'm gonna leave her Instagram up in the description down below. So if y'all want to go purchase any glue or anything from her, just go click the link in my description. Okay, when you do the dot method, you want to even it all out. Make sure it's a nice thin, even layer, and it will all dry at the same time, so it won't be all cakey and white. Now you're going to apply the lace once it's all dry and clear, and make sure it's all even, side to side, ear to ear. And yeah, then you're gonna have to blow dry it, and make sure you do blow dry it, because if you don't blow dry it, it's not gonna melt like how it needs to melt. After I'm done melting it with the glue, I like to go in with some Got2b glue spray around it and comb it out and put the elastic band over it, because it just give me that extra melted look for on top of the lace. After I apply my elastic band, I just like to sit under the dryer for like 10 or 15 minutes. So after you take the elastic band off, I just cut as close as I can to the hairline with a razor, so it can give that scalp look, not no straight hairline. You don't want to be looking like how JT was just a minute ago. No shade to my baby, because I still love her. But anyways. Okay, so after I'm done cutting the excess lace off, I like to go in again with the Got2b glue spray and go in with my elastic band again and sit under the dryer again for 10 minutes, because that's just how it's going to melt. That's just how it's going to give you the melted look. Okay, 10 minutes now. Boom. Melt it or no. Okay, now onto the edges. So I'm going to be doing swoops all over, because that's just how I like mine. Usually, well, not usually. Sometimes I do like 2 on each side, but this time I'm going to do 3 on each side and 1 in the middle. So it's going to be 7 swoops in total, I believe. Yep, 7 swoops in total. So I like 7 swoops when I do my hair. Y'all can do however many swoops y'all want to, because I know people like the squiggly lines and the jaded edges, all type of edges, but I just like the basic. But yeah, I don't really have like no edge tutorial. Like, I just swoop. Like, when you flipping with the flat iron, that really help. So when you flipping with the flat iron, just don't worry about it, because the swooping just gonna come with it. Next, I'm going to take some Got To Be glue spray again and take my elastic band again and melt my lace again because I need it to be melted from all angles, baby. You ain't gonna be able to see this lace when I get done with it. You're not gonna be able to see it. You're not gonna be able to see this lace. Now I'm just cutting my baby hairs in a downward motion. Okay, so you're just gonna take that thing off now. If y'all want me to make like a separate video with just my baby hairs, then I will. But I'm just gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna explain it to y'all because like it's really just swooping. You swoop it and into a circular motion, like really. Oh, and I use Got To Be glue spray to lay my baby hairs down. I got that from Arrogant Tay in his video. I had ran out of storage, y'all, but after I got done doing my edges, all I did was add some curling cream and some water to my hair, and then that was the finished look. But this is the finished install. This hair is so good. Like, I love it. It's super soft and easy to comb out. Just the other side. But I feel like did I put the wig too far down? Because I don't know. But yeah, y'all, this is some good hair. Make sure I go cop it. All the links to the hair will be in the description. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.